my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review a new atta in the market from Aashirvaad, which is a Aashirvaad sugar release control atta, which they are marketing as a atta for the diabetic patient. So today we are going to review the atta. We are going to see the facts on it, how effective is this atta in controlling diabetes, and I'm going to talk about my experience with the atta. So guys, let's start off with the review of the product. So first of all, this is the product here, the Aashirvaad Sugar Release Control Atta. This is a 5 kg pack that I have here, and it comes packaged in this form. It looks quite different from your regular Aashirvaad atta which you get the packet, which is red and yellow in color. This is only yellow in color, which makes it stand out. It has the ITC branding right on top. Here is the ITC branding that they have it, and right on top here they have the ITC branding. Then there's the Aashirvaad branding right here in big, and then it says atta here, and here's the USP of the atta, the sugar release control. They're mentioned here. Then they say it has special grain mix with methi and oats. That is what they are focusing on, that it has a special grain mix of methi and oats, which is good for the whole family. So it's not only good for the diabetic patients in the family, but for the entire family, they say. And then there's an illustration of the roti that is cooked with this atta here. So this is the information on the face of it. When you go to the side of it, you can see again it has mentioned, it has the Aashirvaad branding to it and the sugar release control written right here. The USP is written right here. Sugar release control atta is written right here again. The same thing can be seen on the other side as well. The Aashirvaad branding and the sugar release control atta written there. Now moving on to the back side of the package, which is the more important part. They are given all about the food facts here. The glycemic index represents the total rise in a person's blood sugar, and various things about glycemic index and stuff, and how it affects your blood glucose. And it says low GI foods are generally associated with it. Right? They're claiming that this is low GI atta. So it helps you maintaining an active lifestyle, keeping your hunger satisfied for a longer time, because it has higher fiber, it seems. And yeah, that is all the information that they have given about low GI food facts here. And then on the other side, they have mentioned the shelf life. The shelf life of this product, this atta, is again 3 months from manufacturing. And net weight of this package is 5 kgs. Okay, and coming to the price of this product is priced at rupees 315, which is quite premiumly priced for a 5 kg atta. Like a 5 kg normal Aashirvaad atta would come around, I say 240 or 280 something, but this has been premiumly priced at rupees 215 for a 5 kg packet, right? So it is a premium proprietary food atta with multigrains, is what is written here. Now coming to the main part, the ingredients, right? They have been promoting this atta as a sugar release control atta and vagera, all that bullshit. But coming to the main ingredients, at the end of the day, the main ingredients is still wheat atta, which is 85%, which is known to be a high glycemic food. Right, wheat atta has a high glycemic index, first of all. Moving on, it has multigrain mixture, which amounts to 15%. Okay, so still 85% of it is still wheat atta. And the other product that they are so much mentioning about is methi, and we all know that methi is good for diabetics. It helps manage your blood sugars. But how much of methi is in it? The fenugreek seed powder here is 0.1%, which is like nothing compared to like the amount of methi you will require to manage your diabetes, the methi which is there in this pack is close to 0, which is 0.1%. So yeah, they are promoting it and they are mentioning it on the pack, saying that it contains methi and oats. Oats, I agree, there is still a good percentage of oats in it, but so the methi is just 0.1% of the entire flour is methi in this. So how is this a low glycemic index atta? Why are we paying such a premium price for this when it is just a normal 85% wheat atta and 15% of multigrain? You rather go for a multigrain atta. Why do you want to go for a sugar release control, which is the USP, which doesn't even help? Now, I have been using this atta in my family for past 2 months, and I haven't seen my father's blood sugar drop even by a little bit by using this, like using the sugar release control. He has been eating the same amount of food, no change in his diet, but we just replaced his rotis with this, and we didn't see any change. So why should people go for this? Like, I don't see the need for people to go for the Ashirvad sugar release atta. No doubt the quality of the atta is good. The Ashirvad atta is of good quality. Like, I generally prefer using the Ashirvad atta to make rotis at home. But I don't see the premium price to be paid for the sugar release control atta, right? Rather, you can make mix vegetables in the atta which are low glycemic vegetables like carrots and pumpkins, etc., which are low in glycemic index. Mix them in equal quantity with the atta and make parathas and eat. That will help you control your glycemic index, and like that will make the roti low in glycemic index. Using this sugar control atta is not going to lower the glycemic index of this, because still 85% of it is whole wheat grain, and yes, it might be healthier or less problematic than your normal Ashirvad atta, but I don't see any specific help eating this atta does, or any specific benefit that this atta does than eating your normal Ashirvad atta, right, for diabetics. So yes guys, like the overall stance, my stance on this is, like, for diabetics, this switching to this atta alone is not going to help you manage your diabetes. If you want to manage your diabetes, manage your diet. Make sure the quantity of food you eat at a time is limited. You have meals, you have smaller meals every 2 hours. That will help you manage your diabetes. But just switching to a brand that says that it has sugar control release atta doesn't help in managing diabetes. So that is the fact that I wanted to put forward here. So if people who think that they'll switch from their regular Ashirvad atta to a sugar control release atta, they will be seeing a huge difference in their blood sugars. Then that's not going to happen. Don't be in a shock if you'll see that there's no difference, right? So yeah, like a net weight of 5 kg. This is a 5 kg pack, and they're charging rupees 315 for this, which is a very premium price for this atta, right? So it comes over rupees 60 a kg, which is quite high, I think. And I don't see a difference between this atta and your normal multigrain atta. I would rather go and choose the multigrain atta over this, because that will provide me with a better health or better nutrition than using this low sugar diet I'm saying, sugar release control atta, right? So I definitely use it. I also got fooled by the advertisement saying that this is sugar release atta until I read about it and I understood what does the glycemic index do and how does it impact your blood sugars. And then when I checked the ingredients, I got a reality check saying that there was no difference between what I was using earlier and what I'm doing right now. right? So yeah, that's a fact check here. So guys, no doubt the rotis are good, soft, nice and soft. They fluff up very easily. But that is the quality of the Ashirwad atta. Even the normal Ashirwad atta, if you go for, you will have the same quality of rotis. Like paying a premium for the low sugar, sugar release control atta will not have any benefits for you than the other atta that is there. Like rather go for the multigrain atta. That will be more healthy and more nutritious. So guys, this was my review about the Ashirwad sugar release control atta, where I found that it has not helped at all in managing diabetes for my father. And yeah, that's it. Like I didn't find any difference in him from the diet he used to follow earlier, where he used to have rotis made out of normal Ashirwad atta, and when he moved on to this atta. So there was no change in his diabetes, there was no change in diet, there was no change in any of his lifestyle. And because I wanted to see how does this affect, and it had no impact, right? So yeah, that's my review about the new Ashirwad sugar control release atta. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.